Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Windows Workshop, modifying Firefox download location and behavior, I'm going to show you how you can change the way that downloads act within the Firefox browser. For this demonstration, I'm going to use our website. I'm in Firefox and I'm at eclipsecat.com. I am on the Support Downloads Free Software section. I'm going to click on bridgesetup.exe, and right now with the default settings, this file is simply downloaded and you see a notification in the top right. I can either click on this file to open it, or I can click on the little folder icon to show it inside of my downloads folder. However, if you don't want it to go directly into your downloads folder or you'd like it to ask you first, you can go up here to the little hamburger icon, choose Settings, and in the Settings window, scroll all the way down to the Files and Applications section. Here there's a Downloads section, and there's an option of where to save files to by default. You can click this option and choose Browse, and if you want to, you can change this to any other location on your computer, such as your Eclipse folder. I can go to Documents, Eclipse, Ashley, and select that folder. And I can also turn on Always Ask where to save files. That'll mean that it'll default to the Ashley folder if it doesn't know where else to save files, but it will ask me where to save the file first. After making these changes, I'm going to close this window, and I'm going to go back to our website and click on bridgesetup.exe, and this time I get a window asking me where I'd like to save the file, and it has defaulted to my Eclipse folder under Documents, Eclipse, Ashley. But I can choose a different location, such as my desktop if that's where I want to save the file. And once I've selected the location that my file should be saved in, that's where it'll go and where I can find it. Adjusting these settings may make your browser easier for you to use, especially if you spend a lot of time emailing files back and forth. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support is available for any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much, and have a great day.